Hello, good morning dear students. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about central nervous system. See, what is this nervous system? This nervous system makes me unable to speak in front of you, unable to make me act in front of you, enable me to do something in the board. That's all because of the central nervous system. So it is the all in all of our body which decides any action. നമ്മൾ എന്തൊക്കെ ആക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നോ, നമ്മൾ എന്തൊക്കെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുന്നോ, അതെല്ലാം നമ്മുടെ ബോഡി കൊണ്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും നമ്മൾ അറിഞ്ഞ് ചെയ്യുന്നതും അറിയാതെ ചെയ്യുന്നതായ കാര്യങ്ങൾ. We are breathing in, our heartbeats are going, continuing. These things, they're all controlled by the central nervous system. ഇതൊക്കെ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് central nervous system. Central nervous system consists of obviously brain and spinal cord that is passing inside our the spine bone, that is backbone, then nerves. So from here is the brain which is situated inside the skull or cranium, and from here, from the end of the brain, the spinal cord enters, and from the spinal cord there will be branch-like structures which are called nerves. Let me take your textbook, page number 172. So open your textbook, page number 172. You can see here the picture: brain, spinal cord and nerves that are starting from the spinal cord. Spinal cord നിന്നും ബ്രാഞ്ച് ആയിട്ട് തുടങ്ങുന്ന nervesനെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റും അല്ലേ? See how many nerves are there in our body? Numerous, isn't it? There are many number of nerves, more than millions or billions number of nerves are present in our body. Even in our brain itself there is more than 100 billion nerves. So that's a number, a long number. So that's why it can process that much information. So let us discuss about the first part, brain. I hope everyone have a brain and you are using it well. So this brain consists of 3 parts. You can see in the picture, more clearly in the picture. See this largest part which is called cerebrum, and below cerebrum there is cerebellum. So here we have cerebrum, and below cerebrum we have cerebellum, and at last we have medulla oblongata. What are they? You know, while you are fighting or while you are quarreling, it is advised you to not beat here anywhere, because it's very dangerous place, as our medulla oblongata is situated here. So brain consists of 3 parts. They are cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Which is the largest part? Cerebrum is the largest part, then second cerebrum, cerebellum, and third medulla oblongata. See, the cerebrum is the portion of the brain which control your thinking, your speaking, your learning process, and whatever you are doing when you are reading something. So at the same time you are reading it, you are speaking it out, you are memorizing it, you are thinking about it. So all these processes are controlled by cerebrum. So you have to use your cerebrum wisely while you are reading this section. Okay. Then cerebellum, it controls the action of muscles. It is located just below cerebrum, and cerebellum controls the action of muscles. What are the action of muscles? If you want to take something, if you want to push something, pull something, all these actions that we are doing with our muscles in our body, that is controlled by cerebellum. Fine. And next one is medulla oblongata. See, this region of the brain controls the involuntary actions. നമ്മൾ അറിയാതെ ചെയ്യുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളെ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഭാഗമാണ് മെഡുല്ല ഒബ്ലോങ്കേറ്റ. വാട്ട് ആർ ദിസ്? breathing, heartbeat, etc. These are controlled. Even when you are in asleep, when we are sleeping, those things are controlled by medulla oblongata. So, cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Cerebrum controls your thinking, speaking, memorizing, this type of things. Cerebellum for muscle coordination and medulla oblongata for your involuntary actions, controlling your involuntary actions. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പഠിക്കുമ്പോൾ എഴുതാനും വായിക്കാനും അതൊക്കെ മനപ്പാടാക്കാനുള്ള കഴിവൊക്കെ പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് സെറിബ്രാണ്. സെറിബെല്ലം നിങ്ങളുടെ മസിൽസിൻ്റെ ആക്ഷൻ, ബോഡിയിലുള്ള മസിൽസ് നിങ്ങൾ വാക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ, ജമ്പ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ, എന്തെങ്കിലും സാധനം പിക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഒക്കെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത് സെറിബെല്ലമാണ്. മെഡുല്ല ഒബ്ലോങ്കട്ട നമ്മൾ അറിയാതെ ചെയ്യുന്ന, നമ്മൾ ഉറക്കത്തിലാണെങ്കിൽ പോലും ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളെ നിയന്ത്രിക്കുന്നത് മെഡുല്ല ഒബ്ലോങ്കട്ട. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ലൈക്ക് ബ്രീത്തിങ്, then heartbeat, etc. These type of things are controlled by medulla oblongata. So that's all about the brain. See, brain is located inside our cranium or inside our skull, isn't it? In between this cranium, so in between this cranium and brain, this region that is filled with some fluids in order to avoid injuries. So when we are falling down, our brain must not be injured. So that is why in between these two there is a spongy like very fine type of liquid is present here. That is almost like a lubricant, a thick lubricant. So it will provide a cushion type there, as like in our sofa we have a cushion. Such type of cushion type effect it will provide to our brain in order to protect it from injuries. So that's all about the section brain. We will be discussing more about the section spinal cord and nerves in the next class. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.